In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a traffic light chart in Excel. To start, you will first need to make sure you are selecting the right cell that contains your key performance indicator value. Look at your worksheet and locate cell C2. When you find it, click directly on C2 so that it is highlighted. This matters because conditional formatting will use the value in that cell to decide which icon appears. Next, you will move up to the top of the Excel window and switch to the Home tab on the ribbon. The Home tab is where many common formatting tools are located, including conditional formatting controls. Click the Home tab now, and take a moment to notice that the ribbon changes to show options like font settings, alignment tools, and styles. Once you are on the Home tab, your next action is to find the Styles group. In that area, you will see a button labeled Conditional Formatting. This is the feature we will use to automatically add the traffic light icons based on the numbers in your KPI cell. Go ahead and click Conditional Formatting. After you do, a drop-down menu should appear, showing several different options. Now that the Conditional Formatting drop-down is open, hover your mouse over icon sets. Hovering is important here because it will expand a second menu with different icon styles. Take a second and move your cursor carefully over the icon sets option, so the list of icon set choices becomes visible. When the icon sets list appears, you will choose the specific option that matches your traffic light layout. In this case, select the option labeled 3 traffic lights, unrimmed. Choose that icon set from the menu. This will apply the 3 traffic light icons that represent different ranges, usually green for good, yellow for caution, and red for problems, depending on how Excel assigns thresholds. After you select 3 traffic lights, unrimmed, Excel will apply the icons to the selected KPI cell. You may notice that the icon displayed corresponds to the value in C2, and Excel may also assign default rules for where each icon should appear. At this point, take a quick look at your cell to confirm that you see the appropriate traffic light icon. Finally, you will repeat the process for the other KPI values, using the other 2 corresponding cells mentioned in the instruction. In other words, click the Key Performance Indicator cell for the next one, then follow the same path on the Home tab to Conditional Formatting. Hover over Icon Sets and select the matching 3 traffic lights option in the same style. Then do it again for the third Key Performance Indicator cell as well, so each KPI gets its own traffic light icon set. As you work through the remaining 2 cells, keep an eye on whether the icons appear in the correct spots. Make sure you are applying the traffic light icon set to each KPI cell you intend to format, since conditional formatting depends entirely on which cell or range is selected at the moment you choose the icon set. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.